The James Webb Space Telescope has made a groundbreaking discovery, detecting potential signs of life on the exoplanet K2-18b. K2-18b is located approximately 120 light-years away from Earth in the constellation Leo, orbiting within the habitable zone of its host star. Scientists believe that this exoplanet could be a Haitian world, meaning it has a hydrogen-rich atmosphere and possibly a vast global ocean. Recent data from Webb's spectrometer has revealed the presence of methane and carbon dioxide in the planet's atmosphere. These molecules are often associated with biological activity on Earth, leading scientists to question whether life could exist on K2-18b. The detection of methane is particularly intriguing because, on our planet, most methane is produced by living organisms. While geological processes can also generate methane, the levels observed on K2-18b suggest a process beyond simple chemistry. Another potential biosignature detected is dimethyl sulfide, DMS, a compound primarily produced by marine phytoplankton on Earth. If confirmed, the presence of DMS could be one of the strongest indicators of biological activity on an exoplanet. The discovery has sparked excitement among astronomers and astrobiologists, as it may provide the first evidence of life beyond Earth. K2-18b is about 8.6 times the mass of Earth, making it a sub-Neptune planet with a thick atmosphere. Scientists believe that if K2-18b has a liquid ocean, it could be one of the best places to search for alien life. The planet orbits a red dwarf star, which emits less heat than our Sun, but allows for a stable climate in the habitable zone. Unlike Earth, where oxygen dominates the atmosphere, K2-18b's atmosphere is rich in hydrogen, which could support unique life forms. While the presence of methane, carbon dioxide, and possibly DMS is exciting, scientists urge caution in interpreting the results. Alternative explanations, such as unknown chemical reactions or geological processes, could account for the detected gases. The Webb telescope's observations have provided the most detailed atmospheric data on K2-18b to date. Future studies will focus on confirming the presence of biosignatures and determining whether biological processes are at work. This discovery reinforces the idea that Haitian planets might be prime locations for finding extraterrestrial life. Unlike rocky exoplanets, which may have harsh conditions, Haitian worlds could have stable environments suitable for life. The search for extraterrestrial life has long focused on exoplanets with Earth-like conditions, but K2-18b challenges that assumption. If life can thrive on a planet with a hydrogen-rich atmosphere, the number of potentially habitable worlds increases dramatically. K2-18b was first discovered in 2015 by NASA's Kepler Space Telescope and has been a key target for Webb's investigations. The telescope's powerful infrared instruments allow it to analyze the chemical composition of distant planetary atmospheres. By studying how starlight filters through K2-18b's atmosphere, scientists can determine which gases are present. The discovery of carbon-bearing molecules suggests that the planet may have an active carbon cycle similar to Earth's. Some researchers speculate that microbial life could exist beneath K2-18b's thick atmosphere, thriving in its possible ocean. Even if K2-18b does not host life, studying its chemistry will help refine the search for habitable exoplanets. The next step is to gather more precise data using additional observations from the Webb telescope and other instruments. Follow-up studies will focus on ruling out non-biological explanations for the presence of methane and DMS. If future observations confirm biological processes, K2-18b would be the first exoplanet with strong evidence of life. This discovery is a turning point in exoplanet research, proving that our search for life must expand beyond Earth-like planets. K2-18b's potential ocean world status raises the question of how many similar planets might exist in the galaxy. Scientists are now looking at other Haitian planets to determine if they share similar atmospheric characteristics. If multiple exoplanets have methane and carbon dioxide in their atmospheres, it could hint at widespread extraterrestrial life. The Webb telescope's ability to detect complex molecules in distant atmospheres is revolutionizing astrobiology. This marks the first time we have detected carbon-based molecules in the atmosphere of an exoplanet in the habitable zone. Even if K2-18b does not contain life, it offers a valuable case study in planetary evolution and atmospheric chemistry. The discovery has also renewed interest in sending probes to study ocean worlds in our own solar system. Saturn's moon Enceladus and Jupiter's moon Europa are thought to have subsurface oceans that could harbor life. If life exists on K2-18b, it might resemble extremophiles, microbes that thrive in extreme environments on Earth. Deep-sea hydrothermal vents on Earth host life forms that do not rely on sunlight, which could be similar to life on K2-18b. Scientists are eager to see if K2-18b's atmospheric signals change over time, which could indicate seasonal biological activity. This discovery is one of the most significant milestones in the search for life beyond Earth. NASA and other space agencies will now prioritize further research on Haitian planets like K2-18b. The next-generation telescopes, such as the Extremely Large Telescope, ELT, will be able to analyze exoplanet atmospheres in even greater detail. The Webb telescope's mission is just beginning, and many more exoplanets will be studied in the coming years. Each discovery brings us closer to answering one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone in the universe? If life does exist on K2-18b, it would fundamentally reshape our understanding of biology and evolution. The search for alien life is no longer limited to planets that look like Earth. It now extends to ocean worlds with thick atmospheres. As more data comes in, scientists hope to refine their models of how life could survive in extreme environments. The discovery of these atmospheric gases on K2-18b is a reminder that the universe is full of surprises. Even if life is not found, the study of exoplanets will continue to unlock new secrets about the cosmos. K2-18b's discovery shows that we are entering a new era in astronomy, where finding habitable worlds is becoming a reality. The James Webb Space Telescope has given us the clearest picture yet of an alien world's atmosphere. Scientists believe that within the next decade, we may finally confirm the existence of extraterrestrial life. For now, K2-18b remains one of the most exciting exoplanets ever discovered, keeping the search for life beyond Earth alive.